What's the deal, you guys? CO-VID back in another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about Christmas during COVID. The number one priority on our list should be protection, abiding by our Second Amendment right, and making sure that everybody is safe. Number two is valuing others that we love around us and making sure that we're prepared for the future. The only way and the number one way to do this is through credit. The only way that can provide you $80,000 annually through selling trade lines of helping people rebuild and repair their credit. Number two is applying for the right credit cards in order to provide you with over $20,000 to $150,000 in personal funding to invest in your future or business opportunities. This can also guarantee you 1 million points to redeem in flights, hotels, and or Neiman Market gift cards for the ones that you love for gifts. Lastly, we have a business program that helps entrepreneurs globalize their potential as new era leaders in order to provide them the opportunity for business investments. Click the link below and let me know what you think of our opportunities and how we can help you in the future. I look forward to seeing you.